Hi, friends. I'm not sure what's going on with my phone. It keeps shutting off. So I'm going to wind this up and let y'all go. Critters are doing good. We had a little ducky who did not get in last night. And sure enough, she was probably in a barn or somewhere she kept warm. And then she came back today. They haven't even ventured out. The only critters out have been the geese and the wild bunny in the yard that is wild. Here we have wild rabbits. And then we had a little wild bird up by the front porch trying to keep warm against the house. So after that, everything has stayed in. The chickens don't even begin to put their little toes out. And like I said, the ducks really haven't. So, and the guineas, they're not going anywhere. They're smart. They know. So, anyways, all right, guys, back to the main reason for this video. If you are interested in signing up, first come, first serve. 18 years or older, subscribe to the channel and must send me an email to BibleJournalingCamps@gmail.com. And again, it's listed below, and that is camps with an S. And yeah, just put in the subject line Winter Bible Journaling Camp, and you will get a free kit. You never get anything else. Nobody ever bothers you. I don't give your emails away, and I don't even send things out. So anyways, it's just for that camp only, and this is our free camp. You can journal in a Bible that is for journaling, a journaling Bible, or you can use a Bible that is not a Bible for journaling. And I've done many videos on both here on this channel. So do not feel like you need to go buy anything. The only thing you're going to need to have is either somebody who'll print for you or the ability to print, because that's what's going to be coming your way. Or you can look at what's sent to you and you can draw it in your Bible for my beautiful, incredible artist in this channel. So there's lots of options. So, all right, my dear sweet friends, I pray you are safe, you are warm, you are encouraging all those around you, and I look forward to being back with you. Again, this starts Monday, February 22nd through Friday, February 26th. Hoping to have videos up by 5 p.m. Central every day, depending on our internet. I've quit. I'm going to quit making promises what time. It really has to do with our internet. And right now, that's the least of the problems. So there's nothing for me to fuss at, you know? And again, thank y'all for praying. Now I'm going to go drink my coffee while it's still hot. They don't stay hot here long. I made a cup of hot cinnamon tea and it was iced tea by the time I finished it. So anyways, go sit by my little heater. All right, y'all. Y'all take care, and I look forward to being with y'all. This should be a fun camp. We are not going to make it hard. If you are brand new to Bible journaling, you can be a part of this. If you are an experienced Bible journaler, you can be a part of this as well. All right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. Praying for you. Love you. Bye-bye.